No, the meeting we had with the Inspector General of Police had to do with post-insurgency resettlement, reconstruction of the various communities. What we actually, it was an interactive session, was that where a territory or a given place is captured, we really have to talk about the issue of internal security. And the responsibility of maintaining internal security is solely vested in the Nigerian police force. So he actually called stakeholders meeting, assuming a community A is recaptured. Police formation has to be there in order to maintain law and order there. So actually that is why we actually had to have that meeting. And the other issue that I also want to mention is the fact that you, particularly the journalists, you are living in the midst of the people. There is this assumption that most of the local governments in Borno are already recaptured. In reality, this is not true. It's not true in the sense that apart from Maiduguri Metropolis, maybe Howell, no, not Howell, Maiduguri Metropolis, Bayo, and also Kwayakusar. These are the only 3 local governments that are 100% under the occupation of the Nigerian Armed Forces and under the occupation of the police. They are maintaining law and order in these local governments. But some of the local governments are partially occupied by the insurgents. Can you talk about, particularly, let me give you an example, like Mobar is 100% occupied by the insurgents. Abadam, the same thing, is 100% occupied by the insurgents. So also Kalabalge. There are some local governments that are also partially occupied by the insurgents, because the local government headquarters are liberated. But talking about especially the hinterland, if you liberate Konduga, which is the local headquarters of Konduga local government, what of the other adjoining communities? What of the other communities within the local government? There are still insurgents there. So I was discussing with my senior colleague, the Senate leader, and also some community leaders in Go.